Let's go this way first.
I gotta give a game proper. Spit it so she get it. Does she is.
Hey guys, and welcome back to yet another vlog. Whew. So this vlog, I'm basically thinking about doing a fall decor decoration. Fall decor decoration. Okay, so yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a fall decor decoration or whatever. So this vlog is basically gonna consist of me shopping for fall decoration supplies. So once we get to where we're going, I'll pick up the camera and bring it.
Metro, yo Metro. I fell in love with a lesbian. Came to knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore all the evidence. But I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since. Yeah, took the bitch on the trip, now she feeling me. Exotic frame in Philippines. No kissing, no stain, no pressure clean. Pass out the chain with hella beats. While the water like rain on that G-Star beat. I might slide up and go like I'm mustard. I won't ride the new rose of that pendant beat. We gon' concentrate near the double C. I done bought her a bag, gotta love me. I'ma pop on my place like I'm double D. I'ma hop on the jet, hit another city. I got fans who gon' pay for me. I need my shit now, I can't wait a week. I fuck on that kitty, she take it deep. I fell in love with a lesbian. Can't knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore all the evidence. I don't trust myself, ain't no better than. What the road is two-tone like the president.
I like the ones that's closed.
I killed the ball in no area.
So I can watch them open.
I pay my dues like every single. And since I'm fresh as a pepper, man.
We're two of the same.
Metro, yo Metro. I fell in love with a lesbian. Came to knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore all the evidence. But I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since. Yeah, took the bitch on the trip, now she feeling me. Exotic frame in Philippines. No kissing, no stain, no pressure clean. Pass out the chain with hella beats. While the water like rain on that G-Star beat. I might slide up and go like I'm mustard. I won't ride the new rose of that pendant beat. We gon' concentrate near the double C. I done bought her a bag, gotta love me. I'ma pop on my place like I'm double D. I'ma hop on the jet, hit another city. I got fans who gon' pay for me. I need my shit now, I can't wait a week. I fuck on that kitty, she take it deep. I fell in love with a lesbian. Came to knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore all the evidence. But I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. What they roll it two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since.
I killed the ball with no evidence. I pay my dues like every single. And since I'm fresh as a pepper, man. Riches, they coming.
They look, come look at it in the camera. That's dope.
Metro, yo Metro. I fell in love with a lesbian. Came to knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore all the evidence. But I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since. Yeah, took the bitch on the trip, now she feeling me. Exotic frame in Philippines. No kissing, no stain, no pressure clean. Pass out the chain with hella beats. While the water like rain on that G-Star beat. I might slide up and go like I'm mustard. I won't ride the new rose of that pendant beat. We gon' gon' got some Chanel at the double C. I done bought her a bag, got her loving me. I'ma pop on my place like I'm double D. I'ma hop on the jet, hit another city. I got fans who gon' pay for me. I need my shit now, I can't wait a week. Fuck on that kitty, she take it deep. I fell in love with a lesbian. Can I knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant.
So y'all, Home Good, epic fail. Target, epic fail. You got people who really shop for the holidays and they coming in probably like soon as the people put the stuff out and taking everything. So now I gotta probably go to Hobby Lobby. Y'all, I'm so excited that I came to Hobby Lobby because Hobby Lobby has exactly what I was looking for. So cute.
No kissing, no stain, no pressure clean. Pass out the chain with hella beats. While that water like rain on that G-Star beat. I might start copping going like I'm Mr. T. I won't ride that new rose at that Bentley beat. We gon' got some Chanel at the double C. I done bought her a bag, got her loving me. I'ma pop on my place like I'm double D. I'ma hop on the jet, hit another city. I got fans who gon' pay for me. I need my shit now, I can't wait a week. Fuck on that kitty, she take it deep. I fell in love with a lesbian. Can I knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore the evidence. But I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. Want the rollie two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since.
I killed a boy with no evidence. I pay my dues with like every cent. And shit, I'm fresh as a peppermint.
And then I just fill them. So no ginger ale, just a Pepsi?
The Pepsi and the other one.
And the Sunkist. It's gonna all fit. So they small.
Metro, yo Metro. I fell in love with a lesbian. Can I knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant.
Ooh, it's bad lighting. But I'm bad. Hello. Do you guys sell beach towels here?
We have some straight up this aisle here, just past where you'll see the coolers. Not a lot, but there's a couple there.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So we're back. We came to Walgreens to get the beach towels. Oh, they got shades too. Get my shades. So we're gonna get us 2 towels. You want that one? That a little towel. Oh, true. So this is the selection. You want this one? I'm gonna get a pink one, of course. So I'm gonna get this one. And then I'm gonna get this little beach blanket. It was originally $21, but it's $5.50. This is a good deal. Look, too, it's only $5. It's a blanket. And so we got this. I wanted to come get the coolers when they were on sale. This would have been perfect. This is perfect. What? Jen, I have to get this. It's $12 and it's the last one. It's a rolling cooler. This would be perfect too for casing little soccer games. But I don't know where we're gonna put it. Look, that's cool. So yeah, we finna get ready to go all the way to the. Get ready to head our way to the beach. I'm gonna tap back in once we do get where we're going. Let's see what chairs they have. These 7. Those. They come with the pocket thing. Yeah. And then they got this little clamp umbrella go on the side of it. Oh, we could just do this. Get the blanket and get the umbrella. Let me get this. Be with it. I don't know what you with. See, this one's 7 foot, and it's this one. How many feet? This one's 6 foot. God bless the girl that can raise her own. Get a little one. I'm gonna regret it. I'm gonna get the big one. Y'all don't know which one I want. I'm just get the little one for now. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna see if I can find me some shades. I want me a pair of shades because I left my shades at home. So cute. How look? Where you going to? I don't know if I want these shades. I think so. Y'all, when I get in this car, I'm about to go to sleep because we've been up early. I was up cleaning, doing the hair and their things. And here is terrible. There you go. So, oh, we can go to self-checkout.
Welcome. If you have your extra care card, please scan it now.
No.
Fine bass foot.
Okay. I should have got a chair too.
Place your item in the bagging area. Place your item in the bagging area.
But that's the point of going, so we can lay down on the floor.
Okay, this one is for the homework cards.
Place your item in the bagging area.
Okay, it's probably gonna go off the wrong way.
She on your chair? I said down sell it. Mine go.
I don't want a chair.
Let's find out.
That was the last one. I told him, I said,
Yeah, I seen a lot of. Yeah, I'm going to get them.
I worked my way on them. 407.
Remove all bagged items.
Y'all, babes, can look beautiful.
Did you get any coupons you wanted?
set up. 2. I'm about to fix up my little sandwiches here. I'm gonna add my drink to the cooler. You got your drink out? They all the way at the bottom. But yeah, y'all, we finna eat and do the water a little bit. I probably don't take my camera all the way to the water if it don't die before I get over there. Cause I forgot to charge my camera, y'all. And I ain't playing with my phone. So I got these little whoop-de-whoops for my sandwich. Go with them. And I'm gonna show y'all me fixing my sandwich. Smells so good. We only eating half our sandwiches because we don't really want all that going on right now. Maybe you didn't want no stuff dressing. You didn't want it to tickle your fancy. You didn't want no Chipotle? Oh. I'll be back.
What is he doing?
What that man doing?
What is he doing?
That man doing?
That man say he ain't leaving America.
That boy doing, man.
Y'all, we finna get ready to leave the beach and then we're going home. My sister cooked dinner, so we probably gonna swing by there and grab something to eat later on. But other than that, it is hot and we is sweaty. Y'all, look at the beach. It said there were high tides today, y'all. Look at the water. It's like literally coming towards where the car is supposed to roll. Like, that's insane. Crazy. You see that they got the little lifeguards on duty today. And my camera battery's going dead, so I'm gonna pick the camera back up once I get home. So y'all, I was finally able to snag me a YSL card holder wallet to go with my bubblegum purse that I bought, the Tefla bubblegum purse. It's just a little black girl luxury that I decided to treat myself to. Just want to get myself something minor, nothing too dramatic. It's gonna go with, it's gonna match with this one because Tefla hasn't come out with a new, excuse me, Tefla hasn't come out with a new bubblegum wallet. So I'm just waiting for that to come through. So at this time, I'm just gonna use this. I got me the, y'all excuse the lint roller, that's for when I go to work. Got me the St. Laurent wallet, card holder wallet. If y'all look at them St. Laurent bags, they are expensive. And then, excuse my hands, I just finished washing dishes. I know that's no excuse, but it comes with the little, you know, little thingy here, which shows the receipt and all that good stuff or whatever. But just a little thing there. We don't need that because we might return it. And then it comes with the little box. Get y'all a good image. Comes with the little box. And then it comes nice and neat up because my girl looked out for me when she was there. And then inside the wrapper, it comes inside of a little dust bag. So cute. And y'all, so it's pink. It doesn't match with this at all, but it's just perfect. Y'all, it's just so perfect. It's so beautiful. Like, I love it. It has the details on the inside with the St. Laurent logo. It's just pretty, y'all. I just like it. And then I got, of course, like I said before, I have a little Target wallet. This wallet was just like $15. I'm just gonna put that inside because I haven't, like I said, I haven't developed a wallet as of right now for my purse. So that's what I'm gonna use.